What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Yo, shout out to Benks. They sent your boy out the Craft Tomorrow Premium iPhone 16 case gift box. So we got different cases in here for the iPhone 16 Pro. Now, I'm going to show y'all one case today, but I got some plans for these other cases because I got a surprise. I got something coming to the channel eventually, but right now I'm going to just start y'all off with one case, so let's get into it. Okay, YouTube, so we're going to get into the first case. This is going to be a series on the channel. But here what we got going on is the Armor Pro. This is the 600D Armor Pro. Now, 600D speaks to the Kevlar that this case is made out of. Benks, they've been making dope Kevlar cases for a while now, and I've been having them on the channel for a while. And I mean, just look at this case, guys. I love this bolstered up protection for your camera with the Benks branding, and as you can see that like twill and that weaving of the 600D Kevlar on the back of this thing, and we got the Benks ticket or stick of authenticity, like my man Floss would say, but just a very quality Kevlar case made out of the 600D fibers. You know, it's different fibers and different weaving for these Kevlars and these Airman fibers and stuff, guys. This is just one variation, very quality variation. Now, if you take a look at the side, this isn't the Air, this is the Pro. So you got sides, you actually got a button press with slits in it. It's more the Air is a little bit more minimal. This is pretty much a minimal case also, but it's going to protect your sides. This is an outright, you know, more so of a case. Take a look at this side. You got the power button. Then you got like a valley that takes you down into your camera button. So just a nice, you know, they got a nice cutout for you so you can get to your camera button and do your camera control stuff. Look on the inside. Of course, we're going to have that MagSafe going on the inside. And then here it is official, guys, built with Dupont Kevlar. So this is a very official case made out of some very official materials. So here it is, guys. This is how the case is going to look on your iPhone. So you can see nice and raised up around the cameras. And this piece is actually made out of some type of metal. I like this is all about quality here. All quality materials on this case, guys. I like that a lot. And as you can see the twill, the weaving of the 600D Kevlar. The sides of the case, though, are really nice and soft touch. Like, they got a soft feeling to them. So definitely something you can hold in your hand all day. Nothing that's going to abuse your hand on this case. Nice, easy button press because of the slits. And you got your little action button right there. All cutouts all lined up. Again, you got your power button and you got more than enough space to get to your camera control. Now, if you take a look, guys, you got a nice raised lip around the front of the display. So you want your raised lip to hit a surface before your actual display on your device, since the surface might save you from a crack or a shattered screen. But just a really nice case, nice and minimal in hand. Got a magnet here to do the MagSafe test. Oh, snaps, really strong MagSafe. Really strong MagSafe on this one. It ain't going nowhere. That's definitely not going nowhere. MagSafe strength up to par. But shout out to Benks. This is the 600D Armor Pro for your iPhone 16 Pro. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'll put a link down in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.